Hello and welcome back. In the last section, we completed our card component. We were able to essentially list the card components, the card contents, and manipulate the card contents as well in terms of removing and updating the quantity. Okay. And the next thing we want to do is, before we head over to the auth section, we will quickly do a check-in here and then do a remote deployment over to Netlify. Okay. So let's get our code checked into GitHub and then do a merge and then trigger a build. So over here on my command line, I'm going to say git status. It's going to give me a bunch of files which need to be pushed to remote repository on GitHub, and I'll use the same push to git bat file here as well. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say push to git, and this actually takes a comment, and that's gonna be, so we'll just make sure that it's actually part 1. Okay, and we'll also name it as 3.0 hyphen cart hyphen part 1. Okay, just to make it absolutely clear, press enter. It should be going up, and let's go over to our GitHub repository now, and hopefully we should be able to see that in fe_indiecafe. Let's head over to fe_indiecafe. We should be able to see that. Yes, we do see that here. Let's go ahead and compare and do a pull request. Hopefully we should be able to do that. Just say card components, event handling. Okay, let's go ahead and create a pull request. It says able to merge. It's doing a check here, and we're good to go ahead and do a merge. All right. So I think we'll just wait for this to complete, just to make sure that nothing is broken. All right, so this is completed now, and let's go ahead and do a merge pull request. This should complete pretty quickly without any delays. All right, so we're done. Head over to Netlify dashboard, and in here we should be getting something here, right? So we have a deploy preview, which happened in just a moment ago, about 2 minutes ago, right? So what we're going to do here is do a trigger deploy, and we're going to say clear cache and deploy site. And we had to do this because we have not enabled the auto publishing. Okay, let's go ahead and deploy site, and then after that we have to do a publish as well. So this is going to essentially take a while. Pause here and come back. All right, so finally the deploy is done. I can actually go ahead and preview this right now, and hopefully it'll go ahead and give us the card component. Right now it wouldn't be showing anything, I would believe, because we have no card components right now, right? We have nothing in our card. It doesn't show anything apparently. Why is that so interesting? So apparently there is the issue with the cards right now. The allowed whitelisted domain name is this, but apparently our request is going from here, so this is always going to fail. So we cannot do this bit right now. So what we're going to do here though is go ahead and essentially deploy that. Okay, so go ahead and publish deploy. Okay. Let's go ahead and do this. Hopefully it's all going to be all right. There was another error that I saw, but I'm not thinking that's really genuine. We can take a look at that anyway. Okay, so let's see. Are we done right now? Is the deduction publishing done? Unlock publishing. Start auto publishing. All right, so I think we should be done right now. Hopefully, yeah. Let's go over to back to builds. Yeah, I think this is completed right now, right? This was IndieCafe, so publish is completed. Let's see, go over to activity here and sites. Let's head over here, okay? Let's open this. Oh, we're done. Yeah, this is published. This is about a minute ago, okay? Super. So we should be having our latest code. Let's go and check that. Now it's rendering fine. Yeah, super. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the inspect here. I think we do have some issue here. No, I think rendering is doing just fine. Go over to browse. We should be fine here as well. And then to the cart. Super. We are in business. Okay. And if I go over and essentially do an add to cart, Okay, and go to the cart, it displays them. Go in here, do an item increase and decrease the quantity, and finally delete. We are looking pretty nice here. Okay, super. So let's take a break here, and then when we come back next, we will focus on the auth aspect of it. Okay, and talk more about the identity management and the authentication and authorization part. All right, so let's take a quick pause and come back soon.